Okay, shall we start now? Okay, now is okay. As we have done in the last lecture, हमने 5.4 तक लिखा था. Now I think you know what is 5.1, 5.2. वो कैसे बोलते हो आपको पता है ना? 5.1234. The last question which you had written was who defeated Harshvardhan in a battle? Answer is Pulkeshi 2 defeated Harshvardhan in a battle. This was your 5.4. All of you, have you written up to this? Yes. Okay. Now the next question will be number 5, 5.5. पहले आप लोग question लिखो in the classwork. I am dictating the question. Ready with the classwork and pen, all of you? Okay. Write down the question. What was Harshvardhan's H capital? Harshvardhan's daily routine. Daily routine. अच्छा, किसी को याद आ रहा है कि उनका डे जो है वो कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड था? How many parts? Yes, it was 3 parts, right? And in these 3 parts, what did he do? Some time for God, some time for people, and some time for administration. Time is the question. Answer तो आपको आता ही है, right? What was Harshvardhan's daily routine? This is the question. Have you all written the question? Okay, now shall I share the textbook for writing the answers? All of you ready? Shall I start with the textbook? Okay, fine. I think you all can see the textbook on your screens, all of you. Okay, here comes your textbook. Now, you will write the answer like this. यहाँ पर देखो रेड से मार्क कर रही हूँ from here. He divided his daily routine into 3 parts. The first was for administrative purposes, while the other 2 parts were devoted to public welfare and religious activities. Up to here. He divided से लेकर religious activities तक. This will be your answer number 5. All of you know the starting and ending point of the answer? Yes or no? Okay. Now write this answer in your classwork book. I will give you time to write. And those who have queries, you can please ask me. देखो यहाँ पर मैंने मार्क ही किया है. मैंने ऑलरेडी मार्क किया है. मार्किंग इट अगेन यहाँ से. ही डिवाइडेड यहाँ से स्टार्ट करोगे अप टू रिलीजियस एक्टिविटीज. यहाँ पर एंड करोगे. ओके, चलो स्टार्ट राइटिंग. ओके, नाउ कम्स योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. ओके, देखो अगर स्पीड स्लो है या अगर आप नहीं लिख पाते हो, नहीं पहुंच सकते, तो आप क्या करोगे? स्क्रीनशॉट ले लोगे. ठीक है, फिर जो भी आंसर में जो थोड़ा बहुत बच गया है वो लेक्चर के बाद आप आराम से लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, तो whenever I say that let's start with the next question and if your work is incomplete, वैसे मैं आपको प्रॉपर टाइम दूंगी टू कंप्लीट द आंसर्स. आई विल गिव यू टाइम. बट अगर फिर भी छूट जाता है तो अब 2-3 स्टूडेंट्स को बाकी है तो उसके लिए होल क्लास विल नॉट वेट. तो जिसका भी बाकी है स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेना फटाफट से और उतनी स्पेस क्लासवर्क में लीव कर देना. समझ में आ रहा है ऑल ऑफ यू? यस. Okay, now here comes your question number 6. Write the question. Which deeds, DEEDS, which deeds of public of public welfare had Harshvardhan done. Head Harshvardhan H capital. Harshvardhan done. Put a question mark. I'm repeating the question. Which deeds, ये spelling है deeds का, which deeds of public welfare had had हर्षवर्धन done, मतलब पब्लिक के लिए हर्षवर्धन ने क्या क्या काम किए थे. That is the question. Have you all written the question? Okay. I'm repeating. Which deeds of public welfare had Harshvardhan done? Written? Okay. Here comes the answer. It is on next page. I'm marking the answer. You will start from here. Imprints वाले paragraph यहाँ से. Harsh built many rest houses, wells, stepwells, lakes, muds and viharas, and also prohibited animal slaughter. Up to animal slaughter. This makes your answer number 6. Got it, all of you? Okay. Those who have got it, start writing. Those who have not got it, you can ask me if any doubts. Okay. Now write down question number 7. Which compositions? I'm writing the spelling. Which compositions of great poet of great poet P-O-E-T poet Ban Bhatt of great poet Ban Bhatt are considered are considered unique. Unique मतलब special. Are considered unique in Sanskrit literature. Sanskrit as capital. Sanskrit literature. Put a question mark. I'm repeating the question. Which compositions, ये रहा compositions of great poet Ban Bhatt are considered unique in Sanskrit literature? Question mark. You written the question? Okay. Here comes your answer. You start from here. His famous works, ये मैं blue से कर रही हूँ यहाँ से. His famous works, Harshcharit and Kadambari are famous even today. You will mark up to here, even today. His famous works by Harshcharit and Kadambari are famous today. This is your answer number 7. Got it, all of you? Now write down question number 8. Name the plays. Plays मतलब ये वाला plays ना? Plays मतलब stories. Name the plays written by WRI. Written by Harshvardhan. Again H capital. Name the plays written by Harshvardhan. H capital. Full stop. Ready with the question? Okay. Your answer is over here. I'm marking with black color. King Harsh himself was a writer and wrote 3 plays: Naganand, Ratnavali and Priyadarshika. Up to here. ओके प्रियदर्शिका मैं यहाँ लाइन कर रही हूँ ताकि आपको स्पेलिंग ठीक से दिख सके. आई रिपीट, किंग हर्ष हिमसेल्फ वॉज अ राइटर एंड रोड 3 plays: नागानंद, रत्नावली एंड प्रियदर्शिका. गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू? ओके, राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Which university, again U capital, I'm writing the spelling. Which university was was made world world famous by Harshvardhan, by Harshvardhan, H capital. I repeat, which university was made world famous by Harshvardhan? Put a question mark. Ready with the question? Okay. Now answer I am dictating. ये मैं mark नहीं करवा रही हूँ. Write it directly. The answer is नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी एंड कैपिटल. और यूनिवर्सिटी का यू कैपिटल वो स्पेलिंग मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा है. नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी, फिर बाकी का पूरा क्वेश्चन में से वॉज मेड वर्ल्ड फेमस बाय हर्षवर्धन. वॉज मेड वर्ल्ड फेमस बाय हर्षवर्धन. Nalanda University was made world famous by Harshvardhan. Full stop. Complete. Yes, beta. Okay, now comes question 10. What special arrangement? What special arrangement was made by Harshvardhan? Was made by Harshvardhan, H capital, Harshvardhan, for the maintenance for the maintenance of Nalanda University. Nalanda N capital, University U capital. Both the spellings are there on your screen itself. Of Nalanda University. Question mark. I repeat, what special arrangement was made by Harshvardhan for the maintenance of Nalanda University? Question mark. Ready with the question? Okay, now for the answer, I will turn the page. Yes, बोलो बेटा क्या डाउट है? What special, हाँ कर रहे हो. What special arrangement was made by Harshvardhan for the maintenance of Nalanda University? Got it all of you? ठीक है. अभी आंसर मैं यहाँ पर मार्क कर रही हूँ, द यूनिवर्सिटी, यहां से द दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ पर। द यूनिवर्सिटी had access to the revenues of Nalanda. Sorry, the university had access of revenues of 100 villages given to them by King Harsh for its upkeep and maintenance. Up to upkeep and maintenance. This is your answer number 10. Got it, all of you? Now write down question number 11. Which different ashes, अभी शायद ashes का मतलब आपको पता है, ashes राख। अगर किसी को आप, यस, अगर किसी को आप बर्न करते हो तो फिर वो जो ग्रे कलर का पाउडर फॉर्म होता है ना, उसको बोलते हैं एशेस। ओके, विच डिफरेंट ashes were, WERE, were recommended recommended to be used to be used, USD, used as medicine, as medicine by the chemist आचार्य नागार्जुन। देखो ये मैं अंडरलाइन कर रही हूँ, पूरा यहाँ पर दिया है स्पेलिंग, दिख रहा है आपको? By the chemist आचार्य नागार्जुन। I'm repeating the question. Which different ashes, अभी स्पेलिंग देखो यहाँ पर, ashes were recommended to be used as medicine by the chemist आचार्य नागार्जुन। chemist आचार्य नागार्जुन। केमिस्ट आचार्य नागार्जुन का स्पेलिंग मैंने अंडरलाइन किया है। नाउ एनी डाउट्स इन क्वेश्चन, एनीबॉडी? बोलो। ठीक है, चलो। आई एम रिपीटिंग द क्वेश्चन। विच डिफरेंट ashes were recommended to be used, USD, used as medicine by the chemist Acharya Nagarjun? Question mark. Written question, all of you. चलो अभी आंसर स्टार्ट करें। ओके, आई एम डिक्टेटिंग इट, राइट डायरेक्टली, मैं मार्क नहीं कर रही हूँ, राइट इट डायरेक्टली। द केमिस्ट आचार्य नागार्जुन, ये सभी स्पेलिंग आपके क्वेश्चन में है। द केमिस्ट आचार्य नागार्जुन recommended the use of ashes, the use of ashes like अभी देखो मैं अंडरलाइन कर रही हूँ, like आयरन, आर्सेनिक एंड मर्क्यूरी। दिख रहा है सबको? ओके, ये तीनों स्पेलिंग्स लिखो, लाइक आयरन, कॉमा, आर्सेनिक एंड मर्क्यूरी as medicine. As medicine. Am I repeating whole of the answer? The chemist Acharya Nagarjun recommended the use of ashes like iron, arsenic and mercury as medicine. Full stop. Complete. Any doubts? Anybody? Okay, now write down question number 12. Bolo. Bolo. The chemist Acharya Nagarjun recommended the use of ashes like iron, arsenic and mercury as medicine. Full stop. Complete. Now any doubts? Okay, now comes your number 12. I'm dictating the question number 12. Which evil customs मतलब bad practices, खराब habits, which evil customs prevailed. प्रीवेल्ड मतलब प्रेजेंट. हमने ये क्लास वर्क में सब मीनिंग्स लिखे हैं. ठीक है. Which evil customs prevailed among the people during the rule of Harshvardhan. H capital question mark. I repeat. Which evil customs prevailed among the people during the rule of Harshvardhan? Question mark. बोलो.